My favorite storage is especially, well, the clothes I store from here to here, and it's just plenty for the foldable drawer type clothing. Blankets, of course, over my bed, so I'm extra warm. I get plenty of extra little throws and cover-ups in this one. But my favorite is the pantry. In my previous camper, I could only carry all of my non-perishables in 2 small cardboard boxes, which when we got our ollie, I emptied them in just half of this bottom portion. And I still had this half, this shelf, and this shelf to fill. And it's so easy for an extended journey. We've gone 4 and 5 weeks, and I take all the food I need for that. Over the stove, I have all my pots and pans and dishes that start here and go all the way through to the other side of the microwave, so it's easy to retrieve if I need something for cooking. And the drawers I love. They're just easy to fill, easy to close, easy to lock. We've never had any problems with them opening. Plenty of storage. The 2 middle ones are deeper than the top ones, but plenty of storage here. And the refrigerator freezer is just extra deep. The freezer also. I can get plenty in both refrigerator and freezer. To last, we've gone 4 or 5 weeks with just that. So that's my favorite of the ollie is the storage.